Hello, my name is Sukhmannat. I've been in Lakshya since 4 years. My journey at Lakshya has been a great experience. I've learned a lot and I've built my personality as a human really nice. All the teachers here are really interactive and I've had a great experience here. All the subject teachers and my friends, I've gathered a lot from here, and academically and as well as my personality wise. I've achieved rank 12,000 in NEET and I've got all other achievements, and this experience has been really nice.
I'm proud of my daughter Sukhmannat. She has taken a very good rank and score just because of the hard effort of the Lakshya teachers, and she was so hard working from the last 4 years, and she scored 94% in 10 plus 2, and she is also the topper of medical robomate, and Lakshya has given a free education for 2 years, and I'm very lucky I'm associated with Lakshya, and this all is due to the hard work of the teachers and the organizations, and the individual effort of my kid. I wish Lakshya all the best.
I am Sukhmannat mother. I am fully satisfied from Lakshya team and all teachers.